These are my helmets. Decepticon, Megatron, Autobot, Bumblebee. This is the first Bumblebee Stinger helmet made in the world. It has all custom ABS plastic, crazy detail with the air ducts, of gears. The back, you got air vents, so when you ride, the air goes through it, you don't feel it. It's very, very lightweight. It's the first one made. It cannot be replicated. As you can see, it's a motorcycle helmet. It's a helmet. Goes right over your head. If you look right here, it also has the vents, so you can still open the vents. When it comes up through here, it still goes right in there to defog. Also underneath here, I have installed a GoPro mount, which you can barely tell that it's there. I'll show you how that goes on it. So that goes here. And if you want to record your rides, you just kind of like click this into place right here. And you got yourself a GoPro mounted to the front to record your rides. Also, moving Bumblebee to the side, I have Megatron, the Decepticon, mirrored lens, all custom ABS plastic. Look at that. Sick. When I ride up the road, it's crazy. There's the back of it. Each helmet took over 200 hours a piece to make. This is all custom ABS plastic, heated, torched, bent, folded, airbrushed, mounted, screwed. There's air vents so you can see up in it so it can get some air. Same with this one. All plastic, very lightweight. Can't even tell that's on your head. Only one in the world. Me. I got him. Like that. It don't get no better than that, boys and girls. Bumblebee Megatron. Transformers.